Hey, good morning, Shadows, and I am at the bus station in Český Krumlov waiting forever because I got here super early as per usual. It was good because I had a little panic attack. I got to the main bus station, then I started realizing maybe I'm at the wrong bus station. So go through the thing, see this thing online that says they're picking up someplace else. In the end, I wound up calling Flix customer service, which was very helpful. Realized that the message online was from October 1st, and so they are picking up here at the main bus station. So I am in the right spot. However, my phone is not doing too well on battery, so I'm gonna make this really short and sweet. We're gonna get this day started. We're on our way to Prague. Let's do this. Alright guys, good morning, Shadows. We are in Prague. Masses of humanity are in Prague with us, so it's going to be interesting to film, but I'm super excited. I'm sitting on Charles Bridge heading over to do the new town free tour, so that's going to be kind of cool. Yeah, so let's get this day going.